Next question. Where is 90% of the universe? Jeremy.
IKEA.
Very good. Give you 5 for that.
IKEA doesn't have any windows. They don't sell windows even. But they deliberately have no windows in IKEA, so you can't see out. So you have no sense of time passing. So you don't know what time you went in, what time... So you can be in there for weeks.
Is that literally true?
Yeah, and actually, if you don't have access, your body doesn't have access to the natural passing of light.
You buy spoons.
I was told, is this correct, that all their
Fair.
products have are named. I mean, not like chair, but they're called Neville or...
You'd like it because they're
Billy.
all strange foreign names, like Lublik. Myanmar. And you look at
What is there about me that makes you think I would like...
Your love of the exotic.
Oh, true.
You like funny, odd words.
Yes, I do.
Can I ask-
Whitney.